So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new field in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on new plan, since you're going to be needing a premium plan for this one. So you can see the options basic and premium. So you will need to just click on that. Let's just type in here fields and you can click on create. Now from here it's going to be creating a new plan. Right now it says almost ready. So it's gonna look something like this. It's a bit basic, but on we go. From the grid view, if you can, you should have the option to click on create new column. And from here, you'll be able to add a new column. And after that, you will see the option to add fields. So you can add it through here. You can maybe set up something like this. So you can see some details on the task itself. So you can add an item, add dependency, connect to goals and stuff like that. But through here, you're just gonna look for that option to add a column. If it's not appearing, then there may be something wrong with premium plans at the moment, since Planner sometimes has technical difficulties. But you can do it through there. If it's not popping up, just try doing it through a column, or maybe contact their customer chatbot, so you can see it on here to get feedback about that. And you can add fields basically through grid and through the premium plan. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.